Embarrass our son a little bit.
Oh, yes!
No, but
You want me to do that?
only on, yeah. Well, just being this.
Everyone listen up, this is going to be good stuff.
This is. So, back in 1996.
I don't want to know.
We all want to know.
Isaiah was born. Is that it?
No, but hey, just wanted to say.
Come on, guys, please.
Just want to say I'm very proud of my son. And, you know, I'm not going to say I'm surprised you made it this far because you are my son, so, you know, that's enough said right there. But
What do you mean? You mean he's my son?
And yeah, the good parts came from your mom. Your mom. So I just want to say I'm really proud of you. Definitely, thank you for everyone that's here. In all honesty, we really appreciate, you know, the friendships and the, you know, the families that are here because, like everybody that's here, it takes a village. You know, it does take everybody. You know, some of you have seen Isaiah from the time he was born all the way up to now. I know Sherry, obviously, we've known you and see you for a while, and so I just want to say I'm really proud of you, and wish you all the best in your last couple years in high school, and as we go through driving. So just keep us in your prayers as parents, as we teach this young man how to drive. And
driving?
Yeah, will be pretty scary, but you know, one of the biggest things too, as a dad, you know, I just wanted to say, you know, thank you so much for, you know, being a young man after God's own heart, because I know that it's hard to do in this time, you know, and I just want to say I'm really proud of what you stand for, and the man you've become, and the man you will continue to grow in, and yeah. So, like I said, you know, I wanted to publicly say that, you know, I love you very much, and I know Mom and your sister's very proud of you. So, all right. So just, and Mom, I know wants to say a couple.
Oh no! Oh no!
Here's a bad part.
I just want to say, Isaiah, I just have been amazed with the heart that God gave you, and I know that you're gonna become exactly who He wants you to be. And I'm just so excited to see what's going to come in the next few years for you. And I just want to encourage you to continue to stay on the path that you're on. Because if you do that, then you're going to be able to reach a lot of people, and you're going to be able to make a real difference. And I love you.
All right.
I'll take you my kids.
So, all right. So he's gonna. Whoa! Wait.
And here we go again.
So he's gonna open up a couple gifts, and any money that's in his car comes from Dad.
Money. Wait, yeah. How many times this one do you have? Okay. If it gets to 14, 15, stop it.
Start with the Superwoman one.
Oh, Isaiah, you're a chick. It's just become the ladies. Never mind. His boyfriend. Mark.
Easy. Just get this stuff in here.
Easy.
What is it? All right. Drugs?
Yes. Drugs.
Big drug.
What is that?
It is drugs.
Shoebox.
I want to sit there.
That's because he whines sometimes when we work out.
Okay. At the beginning. Guys.
He's got shoes. Put it for the camera.
Nice.
Shoes.
He always shows up with basketball shoes.
Alright, seriously?
Everyone's a girl.
Nice.
Right size, right?
Very good.
Smart man. Smart man.
Mark, see if we can invite for another party.
Don't wear those outside.
If you want Mark's phone number to invite you to your birthday party.
Wow, what do you say?
Oh yeah.
Tinkerbell.
Isaiah, this is getting even better.
Very nice.
Yeah, because drugs are a lot better.
Thank you.
What is that? Show it to the camera.
It's a brain teaser puzzle.
It's gonna help you with geometry.
Right.
Isaiah, it's gonna make you smarter.
Hell, there's money in it.
What?
There's money in it. Hey, sit down, sit down.
Isaiah.
Yeah, because he's asking who it's from.
I'm not sure. Oh, mixed jam. Oh, I knew it. Oh yeah, and thanks for the little prize inside.
Oh, is it money?
Yeah, how do you get it out?
Sweet.
Oh, I have to sell this thing? Oh.
That's what we got Stephanie.
Okay. It's gonna be about a week until I get that out.
Hey, you. Give it to me right now.
No.
Oh, Isaiah, it's your first. Never mind, I thought it was gonna be like that.
I didn't see it.
No, yeah, it says.
Hope this birthday wish is the beginning of a great year for you. Happy birthday, Tristan and Spencer. Thank you,
I was
Spencer.
about to say, happy birthday to Spencer. What?
This guy and that guy.
Thank you. I'm digging it. This is what I think it is. Oh, duct tape wallet.
Look inside of it. Did Tristan make that?
I did.
Oh, it's awesome.
Oh, Spencer made it. Yes, Stephanie.
It's 20 bucks.
Thank you.
That's good craftsmanship.
He wanted a duct tape wallet.
I did.
I didn't know how to make one. I was looking at videos. I gave up on it.
You're YouTubing
Thank
how
you.
to make that shit make me. No.
I think there's part of it.
Oh.
So you want a pink one? Run now before you're clobbered. Isaiah, this is the best one of the year. Whoa! I'm waiting for the one that came from your mom. Oh, my baby boy, you turned 16. Read it out loud. We gotta hear this.
Okay, fine. Okay.
Hey, let's do this. It's gonna be funny. Maybe. This is mom's card.
We put together this survival kit for you during a tough economic time. Penny pinching yet again. Isaiah, we are so proud. You must be 16. Have a yeah.
What's that? No. You said what was that? What does it say?
Yeah, with love, your Taiwan.
Okay, open it.
Good, focusing all on the card. No. Nathan.
What the heck? Oh, no.
What the?
Get out. You thought it was like an iPad or something. Here you go.
More shoes.
You got Chucks.
What the? Yes! How the heck did you get something?
You do not want to know the story right now. It'll take 3 days to tell you.
Okay.
I want to see
Hey, Isaiah. Isaiah, let me see.
No, why?
If it disappears, don't let it.
Blame it on him.
I don't know. Oh, he's got a smell good.
Diversion.
Survival. Yeah, so.
You gotta smell good. Yeah.
Smell good for who? Computers?
Yes. They do.
Why do you have a hot date with your computer?
Thank you.
You're not welcome.
The 4S.
Yeah.
Let me see it, Eric. You know, perfect picture. Your finger's in the way.
He's been waiting since
Are you sure you can pay
I've been
for
waiting
it? Are you sure you can pay for
I'm
it?
so excited for them
back now.
I'm so excited for them. I've been waiting 3 months for it. I turned down an iPod. Yeah, I turned down an iPod Touch for Christmas to get it. So
That is so amazing. Open it
The
up.
box. And I'm scared.
It's just the box. That was
We're gonna have to get you just the box.
You should have taken the phone out and just given him the box and then said,
Psych.
iPod in it. Oh, man.
Open the cards now.
Then he opens up the iPad. Oh man, everyone gift card.
If you want to open the cards now, we're going to
Gift card.
Open it up.
Person.
Rip it open like a man. Like a nerd.
Woohoo!
More money.
Celebrating your birthday.
Put it in your duct tape wallet.
Hope you had an awesome day. Brandy, was it? Oh.
What an awesome day!
Shepard left now. Yeah. Thanks, Shepard, if you're hearing this. But...
Where's Shepard at?
He left.
Yeah.
What do you mean he left?
Poor guy, he's going through a hard time. His PS3 just died.
Oh no.
Doesn't that just suck? My Xbox broke and I went outside.
Happy birthday. Isaiah, leave no gift unopened. No
Listen, Isaiah, you owe me $20.
Yeah, it's funny.
Hey,
Be
I'll
happy
hold
and
that
enjoy
for
a
you.
happy
I have
16th
proof,
birthday. I hope you have an awesome day.
Hey, I'm very responsible. I'll hold that for you.
What is your name?
It says it at the bottom. On the bottom of the card.
Oh, Kelly. Sorry. Thank you. Sorry. Misnames.
Just turn away your prize.
Okay.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
Whose card is this?
Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
Thank you.
Happy
Thank you. Thank you.
Isaiah, can you let me know who gave you money so I can...
You have to make a bank account now. Isaiah, it's time to make a savings account.
Already have one. It's a debit card. So.
How much do you have?
Party foul. Party foul.
Another debit card?
Guess what? Guess what? Chicken butt.
Yeah!
That's awesome.
That's exactly what you needed.
Dominic, thank you. One more.
I thought we were supposed to be paying attention to Isaiah, not our phones.
Oh, sorry.
Forget about it.
It's your birthday.
Are you saying your phone is more important than Isaiah? Oh. Oh, Isaiah, you did not.
What the squares alone? It's Mickey Mouse getting
Parsons.
married.
Thank you. Thank you. It's just a Disney. It's not funny.
It's not funny, you should yell it out loud.
He did put a heart. Is that from you? Thank you, bro.
Isaiah, love your life.
Okay. Okay, I don't want to bring anything you go.
Okay, it's from John Terry.
Yeah.
Just open the edges.
Did Dennis give you that spa pedicure package or what?
Wish.
That takes so much.
Hey, Zay, I gotta do another one.
Okay, yeah, stop it.
How do you stop it?
Just press the button right here.